Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity by comparing the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a face-off between the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Creality Ender-3 V3. On my left, we've got the Mars 4, and on my right, the Ender-3 V3. Let's see which one will make you the Picasso of plastic. First things first, let's talk about the green stuff. No, not the filament, the price. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is priced at $249. That's like 50 cups of coffee, or 2 nights out if you live in New York City. The Creality Ender-3 V3, on the other hand, will set you back $299. That's $50 more. That's like the difference between ordering a large pizza and a large pizza with extra cheese and toppings. So if you're budget conscious, Mars 4 takes the cake, or should I say, the filament spool. Now, size does matter, at least in the world of 3D printing. The Mars 4 gives you a build volume of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. It's like a cozy little apartment for your miniatures and prototypes. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 doesn't give specific dimensions in the description, but trust me, it's spacious enough to print a small army of action figures. So if you're looking to print the next Statue of Liberty, maybe the Ender-3 V3 is your go-to. Speed demons, listen up. The Ender-3 V3 can print at a whopping 500 millimeters per second with 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's like a Ferrari on your desk. The Mars 4. So if you're impatient like me when waiting for your food delivery, the Ender-3 V3 might be your best bet. Quality over quantity, right? The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with 8,520 by 4,320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution. That's like having an eagle eye for details. The Ender-3 V3 offers a precision-focused design with 0.1 millimeters printing accuracy. Both are pretty impressive, but if you want to see every tiny wrinkle on your Yoda bust, the Mars 4 is your Jedi Master. User-friendliness is key, especially if you don't want to end up smashing your printer with a hammer. The Mars 4 has a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview and real-time progress. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't ask for a raise. The Ender-3 V3 features an intuitive touch UI screen, auto-leveling, and even phone control. It's basically the smart home of 3D printers. So if you want a printer that practically prints itself, the Ender-3 V3 wins this round. Last but not least, let's talk about support. The Mars 4 offers a professional technical support team that responds within 24 business hours. That's faster than most of my friends reply to texts. The Ender-3 V3 provides a 12-month warranty and 24-hour after-sales service. So if you love peace of mind, both printers got your back, but Creality might just edge out with that extra year of warranty. From the reviews, users appreciate the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high-quality prints, ease of maintenance, and responsive customer support, although some mention issues with FEP film and the plastic base. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is praised for its speed and accuracy, but some users have faced mechanical issues and unhelpful customer support. Overall, both printers have their strengths and weaknesses, so your choice might come down to what features you value the most. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is your detailed, budget-friendly option, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 is your fast, versatile, and slightly pricier choice. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy printing and remember, buy smart. Product links are in the description.